How to install a CB radio. Are you curious about how to install a citizens band radio in your vehicle? Whether you are a vintage electronics enthusiast or just want to communicate on the road, this guide will help you. Let's get started with the steps to ensure a successful installation. First, gather all the necessary equipment and tools. You will need a CB radio unit with a microphone, an antenna with coaxial cable, and mounting hardware. Basic tools like pliers, an adjustable wrench, wire cutters, and a screwdriver are essential. If you want to tune your antenna for optimal performance, consider getting a standing wave ratio meter. Next, choose the right installation location inside your vehicle. Look for a spot that allows easy access to the radio controls without obstructing your view while driving. Common locations include under the dashboard or on a mounting bracket attached to the dashboard. If you are working with a vintage model, be mindful of preserving original mounting points. Now let's install the antenna. This component is vital for both transmission and reception. Mount it on a metal surface of your vehicle's exterior to ensure good grounding and signal reflection. Popular options include roof mounts or trunk mounts. Using an antenna spring can help prevent damage from bending. Once the antenna is in place, it is time to route the coaxial cable. Connect the cable from the antenna to the radio's antenna input. Carefully route the cable through the vehicle, avoiding sharp bends or areas where it might get pinched. Secure the cable with clips to prevent movement. Next, plug the microphone into the designated jack on the radio. Position it so that it is easily reachable but does not interfere with your vehicle controls. Now let's connect the power. The red wire from the CB radio connects to a 12-volt power source, usually the vehicle's fuse box or the positive terminal of the battery. The black wire should connect to a good chassis ground. It is wise to use inline fuses to protect both the radio and your vehicle's wiring. If you are working with a vintage radio, take extra care to avoid damaging original components. After making all the connections, power on the radio to test it. Check both transmission and reception. If you have a standing wave ratio meter, use it to check the antenna tuning. Adjust the antenna length or position to achieve the best performance. Finally, secure all components and cables. Avoid making any permanent modifications that could reduce the collectible value of your vintage radio. Keep any original mounting hardware and manuals if you have them. By following these steps, you can successfully install a CB radio while respecting its collectible nature. Enjoy your new communication tool and the nostalgia that comes with vintage electronics.